This will save us a lot of time and most likely paying for a designer too. These are how my thumbnails used to look before, but now YouTube has this new feature called Get Suggestions. Never used it before, but before you can use this feature, I believe you have to add a thumbnail while uploading your video. Save it, then go back to edit, then this feature will be available. If you click on it once or twice, YouTube then creates a thumbnail for you in different concepts using your video. How cool is that, guys? Much more appealing, eye-catching and straight to the point. This is how your thumbnail should look like. You can download it or ask it to change you whatever concept you want. Any modifications you can ask it to do, or the other way you can download it and edit it into Canva. I love this concept on the PS5 controller. Check this out, it's actually using my hand and my TV screen. What would normally take me 15 to 20 minutes making a thumbnail, it's done it for me all by a click of a button. So guys, next time you upload a YouTube video, you know where to get your thumbnail from. Have fun, peace.